往下上来。往下上来。Hello, buddies. Good afternoon to you. Today is July 3, and today I would like to make an introduction for our block clamping machine. You know, and and in the world, there are plenty of the block factory, and they use the block machine to produce blocks. But the time they would like to use a machine to collect the blocks from the pallets, or they would like to load the blocks onto the truck, you know, they have to buy a forklift, which is powered diesel engine. But the forklift is very expensive. So normally the price for a 3 tons forklift will be about maybe 10,000 or 11,000 US dollars. So that will be very, very big expense for you to use for the load blocks. But now in our company, and we have a very simple the block clamping machine. It can be used for you to collect the blocks, the hollow blocks, solid blocks, or solid bricks, or pivars, like the Holland pivars or interlocking pivars. Can be all of the different blocks and pivars can be used this machine to collect from the pallets, you know, for the curing, right? So after you produce in the blocks, normally you have to remove the blocks from the pallets, away from the pallets, move the blocks away from the pallets, and go where you want to cure the blocks and make them drier. And the second one, that means after the blocks is dried well, you plan to sell out the blocks. So normally when your customer come to your block factory and buy the blocks, and normally, you know, you have to let your laborers to carry the blocks by hand, which will be, you know, cost a lot of labor cost, and also, you know, will be, you know, spend a lot of labor force. So this machine can give you power, can be hold the blocks, can be loaded, collected blocks like this one, can be collected blocks onto the truck and for the delivery. So today, now I want to just do some testing for you to understand how to use it. Okay. And here is the what's it? This one is for the control. Yeah. Up, down. And this one means lift up, and this one drop down. This one for the south is for the direction, and east, and north and west is for the different direction. I will show you. 赶紧来。你从这个地平线这看看能上升的这个过程。And now I plan to use it for loading blocks. Okay, now drop down. Okay, and hold this. Hold this.
This.
Up.
Okay. Go. Up.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, after you lift up the blocks, and you will go where you want to drop it. So when you lift up the handle, you will go to and collect the next time. Okay. That's all. And I want to introduce this particular machine. This one is a sample one, because if you only would like to hold collection of hollow blocks, so normally we will not equip the air compressor onto the machine. So now it looks a little simple compared with the air compressor. That means now this machine doesn't have the air compressor. It's only the electric motor to lift up, to give the power to the belt, and give the power for the reducer. We'll be rolling the steel lines or the steel wires and to lift up the mold, lift up the handle, the arms. And here, yeah. You know why we put this this very heavy, very heavy, like a rock or some block, some quantity of the blocks. You have to put some how to say, something which is very heavy to give the power, give the weight, so that the block clapping machine cannot cannot be shaking or bend. So normally you have to put maybe 50 kilograms heavy something, put on the here and over here. So in the front and the back you have to put maybe 50 or 100 kilograms, something very heavy. And here's the controller. Here's the controller. So we fixed the switch already inside. So what you only to do is you have to find out this kind of cable and connect the wire with the switch. That's all. So no need to exchange anything else. It's fixed already. It's very easy. And if you would like to change the direction, you will use this here. You will use these wheels, right? You can see the tires will be changed the direction. And here direction. It's very easy. Okay. Okay, buddies. And thank you so much for your time to watch my videos. If you have any different ideas, or if you want to leave your message about what kind of a block size you are producing now at your block factory, you can leave your comments and your ideas on my videos. I will to try to discuss with you when you would like to get such a kind of the block clapping machine. Okay. Bye bye.